If you love cheesecake but have been super intimidated by making it, this is the recipe for you. Today I'm showing you how to make Nielsen-Massey's mini cheesecakes, and what I love about these is that you don't need a water bath, they are super easy to make, and they don't take hours in the oven.
To make the crust, you'll need graham cracker crumbs, granulated sugar, melted butter, and almond meal. Pour your melted butter over these ingredients and then use a fork to mix everything together. Divide the mixture evenly among your cupcake liners, then use a small cup or bowl to press it and pack it down. Let it bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. To make the cheesecake filling, you'll need cream cheese, sugar, eggs, and your choice of extract. I am using vanilla here. Make sure to have all your ingredients at room temperature. Using the paddle attachment, mix your cream cheese and sugar together until well combined. Then add your eggs in one at a time. Scrape the sides of the bowl, then add in your extract and continue to mix until everything is smooth. Add about an 1/8 cup of the mixture for each baking cup. Then use the back of a spoon to level and smooth everything out. Bake for around 15 minutes, and when they come out, you can test them by gently shaking them, and they shouldn't jiggle around too much.
I hope you've enjoyed this super easy recipe for these mini cheesecakes. Topping ideas are endless. I decided to go with some raspberry preserves, a blackberry with some gold leaf, just because I wanted to be a little extra fancy. But if you check out my blog post below, I gave you some more ideas. And if you want to use different extracts, such as peppermint or almond even, I'm going to share with you some really tasty ideas for that as well. So make sure to head on over to my blog for the full recipe and details. Did you like this video? Make sure to hit like, click subscribe, and if you want more baking inspiration from me, make sure to check out the videos below.